You may have seen videos where an elegant woman or even an animal like an octopus is dancing around, and it gets millions of views and followers. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create an AI influencer like this and start earning money from day one. First, go to your browser and search for Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield will save you tons of time, by the way. Click on the first link that appears. Once you're there, you will see multiple options. First of all, you need to log in, then click on the AI Influencer tab. After clicking the AI Influencer tab, you will see several options. You can generate your AI influencer by simply building it, using individual characteristics like skin type, or by directly inputting a prompt. I am going to select Build. Scroll down. First, we have to create a human. Click on Human. You could also create an ant, a crocodile, etc., but let's stick with human. Then, choose the gender, male or female. I will choose female. Next, you need to choose the origin or ethnicity, such as European, American, Asian, Indian, and so on. I am going with Asian. Now scroll down to the skin color section. For the skin color, I'm choosing a fair tone. As you scroll down, you can see it has added all the specifications we defined for the character. Next, I'll choose the eye color. Purple would look best. For the skin condition, you can add features like vitiligo or wrinkles. I'm going with albinism for this one. Next, for the age, I'll select adult, though you can also choose mature. In the advanced settings tab, you can customize the face. For the eyes, I'm selecting human eyes, not reptile or mechanical. I'll skip the eye conditions for now. Moving on to the mouth, I want a small mouth. Scroll down a little further to the ear section. You can choose human, elf, or others. I'm sticking with human. A bit further down, you can select horns and other traits. For the skin, I want human skin, no fur or other textures. Next is the surface pattern, which refers to patterns on the skin. Let it load. I'll go with solid, meaning no pattern. Okay, we've selected everything. Let's double check. Human, female, specific eyes, and so on. It's all set. Now click Generate Influencer. It will generate in less than 2 minutes. If it fails, don't worry. As the notice says, your credits will be refunded. I should also mention that you can use pre-made influencers if you prefer, but I like creating my own custom character. It has created our influencer and named her Angel. What a great name! You can see the skin texture, clothing, and hair are all top-notch. Below the image, you'll see options to recreate, edit with Nano Banana, animate, or set as default. Our main goal is to animate the character. First, I'll click the library button to explore more. You'll see plenty of pre-made templates here. Clicking library takes you to the video page for motion control. Here, you can see multiple AI influencers created by different users. Select anyone you like. You can also add your own custom motion by clicking this button and uploading a reference. I'm going with this vitiligo character. Now, in the motion control section, scroll down. You can select the quality, like 1080p or 720p. Scene control is important because it determines whether you use a video or image background. I always prefer an image background because the lighting conditions look much better. In the prompt section, you can type a simple prompt or leave it empty. I'm typing replicate all the motions of the image. That's it. Now, hit generate. In a short while, it will generate your video perfectly. Every movement and expression is copied. It essentially uses Kling 1.6 to achieve this. Now, we just wait for it to generate. It usually takes about 5 minutes. In the library, you can see the movements the original influencer is making, and soon we'll see our AI influencer do the same. Our AI influencer is ready. You can see her here. Let's play the video and let it load. As you can see, every expression has been perfectly mirrored. You can compare both sides. Every movement was copied onto our character. I'm going to download this now. I'll name it A1 and save it in a separate folder so I can find it quickly. It's about 58 megabytes. Now for the big question, how do you earn money with this? Go to your home screen and click the Explore button. You'll see a banner for Higgsfield Earn. People have earned nearly $500,000 here. Here is a quick explanation of how it works. First, log into Higgsfield Create and connect your social media accounts. This could be your YouTube channel or Instagram account. Then, you post the content on your channel to earn money. To get started, click Start Earning. You can see the active campaigns here. There are currently 2 active ones and 2 others recently expired. I'll click on the first one. You can see that I have already enrolled. This page shows all the campaign details, including how to upload the video and the specific requirements. Just connect your social media and upload your video. The second campaign has 9 days of validity left. You can start creating by connecting your account. Since you've generated one video, you should now generate multiple videos to increase your chances. To do that, go back to the AI Influencer tab. Select the influencer we created earlier and click Edit with Nano Banana. This opens the image section. I'll give it a new prompt like, make her stand in her bedroom. A bedroom setting should work well. Hit the generate button and it will create your next scene. I'll show you how to animate that one too. As I mentioned, you can earn money just by submitting these videos. It's a fantastic opportunity. Go check the requirements, make your videos, and get paid by Higgsfield. Here is our new character scene. Now, click the animate button. You'll be taken back to the same motion control page we used before. The process is exactly the same as last time. Thanks for watching, guys. Start creating, earn some dollars, and have a great day.